Hey, it's Nick Artigo here, and I'm going to show you how to activate the serratus anterior muscles. They are muscles on the rib cage. They wrap around and attach to the inside. They wrap around the rib cage, attach to the inside edge of the shoulder blade. They're key stabilizers of the shoulder girdle, and that they anchor the shoulder girdle to the rib cage. If they're underactive, the muscles that attach the shoulder blade to the spine and especially the neck are going to have to pick up their slack, which creates too much neck tension. If you're doing upper body movements and you always feel like you've just got too much neck tension going on these upper body movements, that's a good sign that your serratus anterior is probably underactive, not pulling its weight, so to speak. So a good way to activate the serratus anterior is to lie down on your back, have a straight arm. I'm going to have my thumb pointing up this way. I'm going to feel where my serratus anterior is with my other hand. So from here, what I'm doing is feeling where those muscles are. I'm just holding my arm here. I may not feel any activity in those muscles. But then what I'm going to do is pull the shoulder down away from the ear, and then straighten the arm, and we're going to try to keep the shoulder down away from the ear as I reach my arm up by the ear. And what I want to be doing is what you'll see is, because I'm not letting the shoulder rise up and making the shoulder stay down, the shoulder blade is going to have to give me that range. The shoulder blade is going to have to tilt backwards. The top side of the shoulder blade is going to go toward the floor. The bottom side of the shoulder blade is going to come away from the floor. As I'm keeping the shoulder down, I'm keeping the lower back from coming up. So I don't want to start using spinal extension to get that range. Lower back's down. I'm feeling the muscles that I'm trying to activate here. And if I start to go higher and higher, keeping the shoulder down away from the ear, I'm going to feel those muscles kick in. I'm feeling them right now. And you can kind of see the shoulder blade. It's tilting this way. Posterior tilt to the shoulder blade. I work on getting my thumb to the floor with the shoulder down away from the ear. Once I'm able to do that, have a fist. I work on getting the fist to the floor. Then I work on getting my whole arm to the floor, or my wrist to the floor. Give that a try. A few sets of 10 on each side. Got any benefit from this video? Leave a comment below. If you'd like to get more content not available on the blog or the regular YouTube channel, then click the link that's connected to this video. You'll have a chance to sign up for the Run Better Now VIP Club. Thank you.